Rivian just released their deliveries for the fourth quarter, and price is selling off, not only because of the news, but also price is selling off from a key level, which is the $24 support resistance level. You can see this a bit better on the weekly chart. We have support, resistance, resistance once again. Now, before we continue with the analysis, let's look at the actual article. So shares of Rivian stock are down about 10% on the first day of trading for 2024 after the EV company reported its fourth quarter production deliveries for the 3 months ending December 31st. Rivian produced roughly about 17.5 vehicles and delivered about 14,000 vehicles. However, analysts were expecting 14.4 delivered vehicles, meaning that Rivian fell short by about 3%. During the fourth quarter of 2022, Rivian produced 10,000 vehicles and delivered 8,000 vehicles. Furthermore, Rivian's deliveries fell from the third quarter when it delivered 15.5 vehicles. Production during the third quarter tallied in about 16.3, meaning that fourth quarter production grew by about 7.6% quarter over quarter. Now, 2023 production grew by about 135% compared to 2022 production of 24K vehicles, while 2023 deliveries grew by 147% compared to 2022 deliveries of 20,000 vehicles. These numbers make it very clear that Rivian is ramping up its scale and EV market share. So that's to put perspective to just a snapshot, meaning the fourth quarter production and delivery numbers. What's also worth noting is that Rivian deliveries missed could be contributed to a weak EV van deliveries to Amazon. Amazon currently has a purchase order for 100,000 of Rivian's electric delivery vans, which is set to be completed in 2030. Rivian has already delivered about 10,000 to the e-commerce giant, so they got about 90,000 vehicles to deliver within the next, say, 7 years. All right, now going back to the charts, where will price stop? All right, so if I put a line in the sand at the $19 level, right, you have pivot low, resistance. This is a nice level. You can probably see it a bit better on the daily chart. All right, so the volume came in here, and potentially price may fill that gap at 19.7. Okay, I'm not seeing the structure that I would like to see. Let's scroll down to the 4-hour chart. What about the 8-hour chart? Yeah, so I'm not seeing any really levels of interest. Let's scroll to the daily chart. All right, so again, let's zoom out for a second. So you got this line in the sand, but when you go down to the daily chart, you can see the 200-day moving average and the 50-day moving average and the golden cross approaching that line in the sand. So the chart suggests that price can decline roughly another $1. That'll be an opportunity to take it long. Short-term target being the $24 resistance level. Scrolling out to the monthly chart, you get a break and a close above this resistance level. Look for your next target to come in at the $27 level. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.